We need half orange, take the orange juice, cut the orange peels into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need ginger. Peel off it. Cut the ginger into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. We need coriander leaf. Cut the coriander leaf into slices. Take the slices in a bowl. Now take it in a saucepan. Add 1 glass water. Now boil the mixture on low heat for 10 minutes. Strain it. Add orange juice. Mix it well. Now it's ready to drink. Drink a cup in the morning, half hour before breakfast. To get an effective result, continue to drink this drink for 30 days. And you will notice the difference. Especially in the stomach area. You can prepare a quantity for 3 days and store it in the refrigerator. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.